Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's about 12:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on March 16th, and after a beautiful little run up here pre-market, we had a good-sized gap fill almost to the penny. If I remove this post-market data from yesterday, pre-market data from this morning, where we had a couple of higher highs and higher lows, and bring back that data, you can see very nicely that we've had a perfect gap fill. And it's nice when the technicals work out this beautifully. Run back up, 100% retracement of the gap fill again, and now we start hovering in that area. Is to give me a high base cup and handle breakout into resistance. 116 now broken up into the 116.56 area. The high was 116.23, so it's just shy of a huge higher time frame number that we've been focusing on for a while, and that's that 116.56 mark, where on a daily chart you can see very nicely some support and resistance. So testing through, basing on our high now, using that resistance area as support at 116 on a higher time frame. You can see that after large multi-bar run-up, we're definitely in need of rest even intraday. On a 60-minute chart, you can see it even more clearly. Definitely needs some time to rest. So we're going to see what kind of consolidation we get around 116, knowing that on a daily chart we're still right within the area of a consolidation between 115 and 116. That'd be fantastic if we could hold that area in here after this great run-up. So I like to see this kind of market action if we're bullish. The trend, beautiful all day long, 0.6 and below, but not too oversold to my eye. Trend Q, also very nice. It's not matching exactly the trend, but it's also not rallying strongly, at least right now, up into the neutral range. A little more of a difficult trading environment to try to go long on a breakout while the trend Q is in the neutral range, but it was bleeding out at the time. So a little more of an advanced read there. The VIX, best news of the day, nice gap fill just like the broad markets, and then a nice lower swing high, higher swing low, and then a beautiful failure below the 1780 mark. It started heading south. Interesting to note, we have in a lot of ways are holding up right where this market started to consolidate and then sold off a bit more. The low was 1750. Yep, very nice. So on a higher time frame, like a 60-minute chart, you can see that 1750 mark is actually very relevant. So we're sort of testing through this with a couple of lower swing highs after a little bit of a awkward run up past this gap. So technically, if we can hold down below the 1764 mark and even this 1780 right through here, that would be a much more bullish scenario in calling for a consolidation between 1750 now and 1780. So good stuff. We'll have to watch the VIX in context with the broad market, but that's just a quick, nice run around the markets. We do have a Meet the Mentor call tonight. If you're interested in learning more about our mentoring service, join us. You can send Mike an email, and he'll get you signed up for that. And could be fun. So hope to see you there. Hope you have a great rest of the trading day, and I'll be actually talking to you at the close to see if we can hold up above 116 here, and if not, what kind of breakdown we get to the next logical spot of support at 115.80. All right, talk to you guys soon, and trade well.